The Birmingham Public Library has hosted various STEM programs, including robotics, soldering, and coding. Within 1 year, the Teen Engineer BHAM program served over 2,000 middle and high schoolers in the Birmingham area, with at least 132 programs. Now we would like to expand the programs to include 3rd through 5th graders, so we are closer to the K-12 initiative that impacts low-income and minority students. Hi, my name is Caitlin Miller, and I participated in the Engineer BHAM program at the library, which encouraged me to pursue computer science as a career option. As a result, I've won 2 NC WIT Aspiration Awards and helped lead coding programs at the library, so then other kids like me can have the same experience. Let me show you. I am thankful to the Birmingham Public Library for providing these opportunities. With the Infy Award, we hope to provide more of these programs that we have in place, while also adding opportunities for design and engineering for 3rd through 12th graders. To continue the program, we plan to create an internship program with various colleges in the state, providing traveling programs through a bookmobile and in-depth lessons for our online software for batching system. Thank you, Infy for providing an opportunity to expand our program. BHAM rocks.